Alright guys, I'm gonna show David the exhaust. He hasn't seen the exhaust or the tune.
What's up guys?
You ever heard nothing on it?
I wanna see how fast it is.
It sounds different on
this. It sounds cool though.
It doesn't sound like
I thought it was gonna be more raspy.
Put it in sport, and that shit has like the little burbles. And the Sport Plus is the one with the big
ass. Tripping, bro. Bro, you are tripping, bro. You're disturbing the peace.
Wait till you hear the big ass pop, watch.
Bro, you're crazy. Your shit's for sure gonna get photo. It's cool you can take them off though.
Yeah, you literally.
Honestly, it sounds good though.
It's cool because it has like all kinds of.
All muscle guy cars, like all muscle gearheads, are for sure gonna be pissed at you.
And watch, here are the big ones. Watch. You're gonna be like, what the?
Oh, you're tripping, bro. Oh my god, bro. Turn it on or off on, like whatever you want.
I think you can go no burbles at all.
Bro, you're wildin', bro. You're tripping. That does not sound good for the motor, bro.
And that's BMW burbles.
How do you turn it on? Oh, it's just like going on.
Watch, you can put it efficient, and you close the valves.
That sounds like a regular ass car.
Yeah, that was like a normal one.
I know, it sounds like a normal ass car.
Huh? Like watch. You ready? No wait, watch this one.
What the f? Oh my god, Nick. The neighbors are gonna be so mad.
Those are crazy.
What the hell?
That shit is not quiet, guys. Look how sick the plate looks. Guys, I freaking love the plate. Literally straight off of my E92. Bring it all the way back from the E92 days. That's crazy. On the F80. That is why I bought the F80 as well. Because I almost got an M4. But the plate wouldn't make sense. So I had to get the F80 M3 so I could put this plate back on. I've had this thing just sitting, bro. You know what it actually charged me? Like for 2 years not using it?
It charged you this?
Yeah, it charged me, I think it was like 150 bucks or something total.
Middle of California.
But in order to keep them. So thank God, I think it was auto renewing on my registration. And I kept the plates and we put them on the F80 now. It looks so much better. This one needs a custom plate still. I've had a car for like 3 years and I have not came up with something creative for the plate. I don't know what to do. Someone help me out. Comment down below.
I can take 10 or boxes.
Guaxilla? It looks like a Guaxilla, huh? But this one's hard. This is the best one. This is the OG plate. And it's definitely not quiet. Unless I do this. I do it. Ah, it's quiet. Alright guys, we are in the F80 today. With the new exhaust. New exhaust, new tune. I have not really got to enjoy the car much, so we're about to go on like its first big drive, first fun drive today. We're gonna go a little canyon run. I know there's a lot of people that aren't big fans of the burbles, but I kind of like it, bro. We are back from Monterey Car Week. That was super freaking fun. A lot of freaking cars were out there. So many $1 million hypercars and all kinds of stuff. But we back to reality now. We're back in the BMW. And like I said, today we're gonna go for a little canyon run. We got Peter with me right now in the CTS-V. And we're just gonna go for a little cruise. I haven't really got to enjoy the car much with the exhaust and tune. And I wanna show you guys more of how it sounds. What's cool about this car is that it has sport mode, sport plus, and then efficient. Efficient has 0 burbles, so nothing at all. And then Sport has like the BMW burbles. It is a little excessive, but it is fun to do. And then Sport Plus is the fun one. Oh my god. Sport Plus is the very loud gunshot mode. Wait for it. Oh my god, dude. It definitely doesn't pick up on camera how loud those pops are. And it shoots crazy flames at night. This car is so much fun now, bro. So anyways, I think it's really dope how you can switch between the modes. Efficient with no pops, Sport with the burble tune, and then Sport Plus with the big gunshots. And I talked about it briefly, but this tune is from DME Tuning Texas, guys. My boy Marlon, he's the owner of DME. He's the one with that matte silver G80 that I've driven a vlog before. And DME Tuning Texas is also partnered with 412, so they always work together. They always tune cars together. But yeah, if you guys need a tune on your F80 or M4 or M2 or any BMW, even supercars, they tune McLarens, Lambos. DME tunes everything, guys. But if you want this exact tune on your BMW, hit them up. I'll leave the link right here or their Instagram right here. I definitely recommend it if you want to be loud and obnoxious. And then of course we got the Valtronic exhaust paired up with it, and it sounds amazing, bro. Best sounding exhaust on the market for these cars. GoPro now, get some GoPro videos for you guys. Where's Peter at, bro? We lost him. That's just fun, huh?
That shit is
Bro, this canyon, like you can go pretty fast. Bro, lucky someone's car smelled like fire. I think it's yours.
It's my brakes.
I think it's your brakes. And I don't
a
know,
heavy motherfucker.
you didn't see, but there was a motorcycle that was coming down and he broke his neck looking at your car.
Really?
Like, he literally went like this on the bike. While he's on a bike.
Hey, did you see the Chevy SS that went by us too?
Look how high we are. We are way up here. God damn, we are really high, bro.
Hey, we got
I know. We were flying.
Hey, for doing the speed limit, we got here pretty
We are really high.
Bro,
Whoa.
I can't believe how, dude, that car takes freaking turns like crazy.
I'm surprised the wagon keeping up.
Bro, it has the power and it has the fucking suspension. Once I put what's called a little bit of wheel spacers in the back, I'll feel it.
Yeah, that looks sick. Is my car loud?
Your car? Yeah. Stupid. It's fucking annoying.
I should shooting flames in the daytime, Peter said. That's
Bro,
crazy.
You see it. I was driving by him and just fucking poof. I was like, oh shit.
It's so clean too. Look how good the car looks, guys.
It'll look better when the red sticker's on.
Yeah, I can't wait to put the red stickers on the wheels, but these T's are perfect, bro. The diffuser's perfect. Everything's perfect about this car.
Hey, did you scrape on
I
the
literally
freeway?
love it. Yeah, oh, I haven't even checked. I scraped really bad coming on the freeway.
Did you scrape coming up or not?
It's literally coming off. It's literally about to fall off, bro. I think I gotta tighten the bolt underneath. It's gonna fly off, bro, 100%. I'm surprised it's still intact. Like, it's still good. It's still one piece. But underneath, this shit's all cracked.
Oh, what happened to this fucking rock chip?
No way, bro. That was right now.
I'll have to go look at mine. I'm scared to look at mine.
No! How does that happen? Bro, there's no way I got that bad of a rock chip right now. How did Peter find this? Bro, there's no way I got a rock chip, guys. I'm sad, bro. Look at my hood. Bro, that's a pretty bad rock chip. Literally, the paint is completely off. And it's super noticeable. Bro, I'm gonna have to go buy some touch-up paint. I gotta touch this up for sure, cause that shit ugly. Now it's gonna bug me, bro. Little things like that bug me so bad.
Did you hear a rock hit your car? Were you playing music?
No? We're gonna try to get some flames real quick.
It's just loud. Got one. He got one. Oh yeah. Yep, you got like 5. You're good. That was the money one, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Bro, you heard echoing?
Yeah.
Does it look cool or what?
Yeah, you got something.
Bro, this thing is loud, guys. I don't think you understand how loud it is.
Flame tune on the wagon?
You should make
That'd be
that
hard
shit
as
shoot
fuck.
flames.
That'd be crazy.
I've seen them do like the crazy 2-steps and stuff like that. You can hear it echoing everywhere, huh? Alright guys, we're gonna head back down. We took some pictures up here. We made it just in time for sunset. I'll put those pictures on the screen right here. Oh my god. Bro. It sounds insane. It literally sounds crazy, bro. This exhaust is insane. lost Peter again. I don't know where he's at. There, Peter. That was fun, guys. This road, you can go very fast, which is cool.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets.